Hello, and welcome to another edition of Day Drinking with Kevin. I'm your host, Kevin McGuire, and in today's how-to episode, we are going to learn how to use a tool called a Durand. A couple videos back, I showed you how to use an Asso, and that's a tool that you would use to open old bottles of wine or remove a partially damaged cork. But sometimes an Asso doesn't work. Or sometimes you have a particularly old bottle of wine and you know that that cork is going to need some extra support. Or maybe you opened up a bottle of wine and this much of the cork came out and you need to get the rest of it out as well. The Durand is yet another tool that you could use to help remove that remaining cork or that old cork from the bottle. One of the nice things about the Durand is that in addition to an Asso, it also comes with a corkscrew tool. And we're going to actually use this to secure the cork and then use the Asso to pull the cork out of the bottle. So let's learn how to use a Durand. So, how do we use a Durand? The first thing you're going to do is remove the corkscrew device from the tool and slowly screw it into the cork, or the piece of the cork, it really doesn't matter, it works the same way. Screwing it all the way down until it reaches the bottom, just like that. The next thing we're going to do, just like when using an Asso, we're going to put the long tine in first and kind of shimmy it in a little bit. And then slowly shimmying down the cork and down in between the cork and the bottle, you're going to put the Asso in and you'll see that it kind of matches up with the corkscrew device. And now comes the fun part. All we have to do is simply grab the Durand by the corkscrew and the Asso and simply turn and pull up. We slowly turn, and as you can see, the cork keeps coming up, and the corkscrew device keeps hold of the cork and keeps it stable. So if you do have a cork that is about to shred, it's going to keep it together. When you get up to the top, all you have to do is simply lift it up and off. And that's how to use a Durand. I really hope you enjoyed this episode of Day Drinking with Kevin on how to use a Durand. And remember, these how-to videos are posted every first and third Fridays of the month. Also, on the second and fourth Fridays, we have our What's in My Glass contest, where the first person to properly guess the varietal and the region that that grape came from wins a free Day Drinking with Kevin t-shirt. If you have ideas for future how-to videos or future episodes, please don't hesitate to email me at daydrinkingwithkevin@gmail.com. Until next time, I say, salute.